Cinnamon and lemon. Discover a sensational remedy. Combining cinnamon and lemon is one of the most common strategies used in natural pharmacy. Could you take advantage of them? The combination of cinnamon and lemon is one of the most common remedies used in the field of natural pharmacy. These easy-to-find ingredients allow us to benefit in a simple and useful way. If you are one of those people who are used to consuming vitamin complexes to increase their defenses due to seasonal changes, try our suggestion today. This fruit and spice will become a combination full of nutrients that will help your health without causing side effects. They are easily accessible and cheap and will simultaneously fill your life and food with flavor and color. Why not try them together? Today on our page, we invite you to discover the benefits of using cinnamon and lemon. These treatments will become essential in your life. Reduce joint pain with cinnamon and lemon. If you have arthritis, drinking lemon juice with cinnamon will help reduce swelling and inflammation. Lemons are rich in vitamin C. This nutrient is essential for our body to produce collagen. Just the protein needed for healthy joints and bones. Also, lemon juice is rich in antioxidants, which allow us to reduce inflammation effectively. However, for this treatment to be drastic, consistency is key. Combining cinnamon and lemon will benefit from their diuretic and detoxifying properties at the same time. Both cinnamon and lemons are anti-inflammatory foods widely used to treat these ailments. If you have arthritis, take note of the following treatment to see a noticeable improvement in your health. Ingredients: 1 cinnamon stick, 5 tablespoons lemon juice, 50 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of honey, 7.5 grams, 1 cup water, 250 milliliters. Directions: heat the water to a boil, then add the cinnamon and honey. Let the ingredients mix for 15 minutes, then let the mixture rest for 10 minutes. Strain the contents and services in your favorite mug. Then add the 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Drink every morning on an empty stomach. Lose pounds with cinnamon and lemon. Surely you have heard many times that there are foods that speed up our metabolism. If there is an effective way to increase the rate of our metabolism, it is this treatment with cinnamon and lemon. On the one hand, cinnamon helps us control insulin and carbohydrate levels in our blood. Instead of storing them, our body will use them to produce energy. By drinking this decoction of cinnamon and lemon daily, we can fight against our stubborn belly fat. Consequently, little by little, we will also be able to lose pounds healthily. Next, we will explain how to use this treatment with the aim of progressive weight loss. Ingredients: 1 cinnamon stick, 5 tablespoons lemon juice, 50 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of honey, 7.5 grams, 1 cup water, 250 milliliters. Directions: as you can see, the ingredients are the same as in the previous recipe. So we will go the same way. The only difference is that we will receive this treatment 20 minutes before our main meal. Thus, we will speed up our metabolism and, at the same time, take care of our digestion.